Nums. Roses are red, violets are blue. It's Valentine's Day, and the Bumble Nums are making Lovely Lima Bean Loaf. It's true! But what's the secret ingredient? 11 lovely lima beans.
Yum!
Happy Valentine's Day, Bumble Nums!
Yum, 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 yum!
Are you enjoying your lovely walk in the lovely lima bean jungle, Humble?
Yum!
What about you, Grumble?
Yum!
And you, Stumble?
Yum!
Look at all the lovely lima beans! And they're ready for picking! Go get them, Bumble Nums!
Yum!
Watch out, Bumble Nums! You almost had a bumble tumble right into that quicksand! It's right under all the lovely lima bean plants. If something falls into quicksand, it never gets out. So, how can you get the 11 lovely lima beans for your lovely lima bean loaf?
Yum, yum, yum! Yum!
1. Great idea, Stumble! You can leap for the lovely lima beans!
Yum!
2, 3, 4.
Yum!
5, 6, 7.
Yum!
8, 9. Terrific teamwork, Humble and Stumble.
Yum!
10. You almost got all 11 lovely lima beans, Bumble Nums. You just need one more. 11. Hooray! You got all the lovely lima beans you need for your lovely lima bean loaf. Let's get them back to the kitchen. You did it, Bumble Nums! Do you still have all 11 lovely lima beans? Sweet! Now that we have the secret ingredient, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again!
Yum, yum!
Yum!
How does your lovely lima bean loaf taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum, 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 yum! Yum, yum, yum!
Yum, yum, yum!
Yum!
Aw, you love it! Happy Valentine's Day, Bumble Nums!